In today's episode, we take a closer look at Lara Rajagopalan, a talented member of the global pop group KATSEYE. Known for her powerful vocals and engaging presence, Lara has built a strong connection with her fans, leading many to wonder about her personal life, including her sexuality. So, is Lara from KATSEYE gay? Let's find out. Lara Rajagopalan is a member of the six-person girl group KATSEYE, formed through the Hybe X Geffen Dream Academy competition. The group debuted in June 2024 with the album Popstar. Lara has been open with her audience, and her authentic engagement on platforms like Weverse has fostered a strong community around her. Is Lara from KATSEYE gay? Yes, Lara Rajagopalan has publicly come out as queer. She shared her truth with fans in March 2025 on the platform Weverse, expressing that she is open to dating people of all genders and prefers not to use specific labels. She even used the term half fruitcake to describe herself. Lara explained that she was initially scared that her sexuality would negatively impact her chances of joining the group during the audition process, but she was met with an outpouring of love and support from the fandom and the other group members. As of now, Lara continues to focus on her music and building a positive impact. She has expressed pride in her identity as a brown queer girl and aims to be a source of representation and support for others in the LGBTQ+ community. So, is Lara from KATSEYE gay? Yes, she has proudly identified as queer, and her fans have embraced her with love and support. She uses her platform to be an authentic voice for her community. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on your favorite stars and where they are now.